Welcome to another video by Jitterbit. Over the next few minutes, we will cover how quickly you can leverage Jitterbit, a recognized leader in enterprise integration platform as a service by Gartner, to integrate backend systems such as SAP and NetSuite with BlockApps. In our demo, we will be pulling product information, specifically product name and product ID from SAP, while pulling inventory information for that specific product from NetSuite. Once we have the required data from SAP and NetSuite, using a connector we built using Jitterbit Connector Builder, we will create a transaction in BlockApps. Just keep in mind that SAP and NetSuite are just examples of systems that we can integrate with our blockchain application. As you will see shortly, not only Jitterbit provides the ability to create your own connectors to many systems, it also comes with many out-of-the-box enterprise connectors for many popular on-prem and cloud application. With that said, let's get started. We'll start our demo in the management dashboard. We'll go to navigate to our contracts, and we have a specific contract called Product 2. If we look at that, there are 17 transactions already. I've done some testing prior to this video, but there are 17 records here. What we have is also our Jitterbit Studio. This is where you design your integration. On the left-hand side, you have all your workflows. You have the canvas, the main canvas where you design your integration. And the right side, we have our connectors. Now, some of the connectors that we have here are connectors that we created using Four-Step Wizard with Jitterbit Connector Builder, such as the one we created for BlockApps. And some of them are connectors that are available out of the box with any Jitterbit subscription. And those include enterprise application connectors such as NetSuite, SAP, Amazon, BMC, HubSpot. So we have plenty of connectors that are available out of the box that you can pull information from and build into your integration flow. On this one, as you can see, we are, based on the demo scenario we built out, we are getting some information from SAP. We're using a BAPI, getting that information, and then we tie that information with the inventory information in NetSuite for that specific product. And then we go through the process of connecting to BlockApps using BlockApps APIs, and then leveraging the connector builder to actually connect and post a transaction in BlockApps. So in order to see that in action, before I execute this operation, which can be triggered based on an event, such as a webhook, it could be scheduled, or it could be obviously done manually, as I will do in just a second. But before I do that, let's look at our source systems. First one was SAP. We have a specific product called the Genwa Diesel 800 kilowatt. We have a material number that ties this specific product in SAP into NetSuite. Let's go and actually make that a 900 kilowatt. We're going to go ahead and save that. And what's that? While that's happening, let's go to NetSuite. NetSuite, we have the same product with the SAP ID number, and again, that's how they're connected between SAP and NetSuite. We're going to pick up the cost of the product and the inventory, which in this case is 10 from NetSuite, and then add it to our as a transaction in BlockApps. So we're going to go ahead and actually execute this specific operation. We're going to deploy it. And as you can see, it's the operation has been received by Jitterbit Harmony, and now it's going through the process of using the appropriate calls that we need to make to extract the information from SAP, NetSuite, and then eventually sending it to BlockApps. So as you can see, this has been completed, and we're going to go ahead and go to BlockApps. And we'll go down and refresh our screen. And as you can see, we got our 18th transaction. with the address. We got the quantity and we got the price. Those items came from NetSuite. And the name and the ID, as you recall, we changed it to 900, and the ID from SAP. So again, within literally minutes, we were able to connect to SAP NetSuite and insert a transaction into BlockApps. It's worth mentioning with our SAP connector, we support BAPIs, RFCs, and iDocs. In this case, we use BAPI, but those three options are available. For NetSuite, again, it's a full-blown connector with the ability to create, update, get lists, do upsearch, delete, and also search. So if you have any saved searches or advanced searches in NetSuite, those will become available right out of the box for you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, reach out to us via LinkedIn or Twitter, and see you next time.